gonna need it back. Want you to come and find me, just to tell me that I haven't changed. Boy, I need that from you.
So what you guys will need is this Dollar Tree ring holder, your Dollar Tree candle holder. I went to Five Below and got these magnet gems, and you will need Fix-All. So first of all, you want to go ahead and handle what you will be gluing down first, which are these two items. Little bottom of the gem. And then I will press it onto the center of the mirror. Like so. Then you want to set that down and leave it be. Next, you want to take your little kitten, and as you see, it has a hole here, but you want to place your Fix-All glue right here. And your cat will be going, like, hanging off the mirror like so. So, take your Fix-All once again. And place it right on the cat's paws. Generous amount. And firmly press it on to the mirror. Okay, so now that the glue is completely dried, like I said, this is a ring and necklace holder, so you can go ahead and add your jewelry. Like so. And voila, there you have it.